In today's guide, we'll cover how to add swim lanes in Lucidchart, which is an excellent way to organize processes or workflows by dividing them into sections for different participants, roles, or departments. First, log in with your credentials. Once you're in, open the Lucidchart document where you want to add the swim lanes. Look to the left-hand side panel called the Shapes panel. If you don't immediately see the swim lane shapes, click More Shapes at the bottom of the panel. In the search bar, type Swim Lane and then check the Swim Lane Flowchart option to enable it. Now that the swim lane shapes are available, you can drag and drop the swim lane diagram onto your workspace. You can resize and customize these lanes depending on your process needs. Simply click on a swim lane to adjust its size, add text, or customize it further. You can also modify the number of swim lanes to suit your workflow. For example, swim lanes often represent different departments, roles, or steps in a process. Add text labels within each lane to identify the roles or stages. You can further modify the design by adding more lanes, adjusting dimensions, or adding connecting arrows between processes. Once added, the swim lanes will visually divide your workflow, helping clarify each part of the process. You can always add additional details, annotations, or colors for further clarity.